Hello, my friends. It's Tiffany from The Organized Option. I'm here today to show you how to put together the boxes that come inside your zip and go bag. So zip and go bags have a couple of different box styles. There's this style. This is the one for the Kirsten bag, actually, with this kind of big notch. And then there are the smaller interior boxes. So this is, more like Chastity or Stephanie or one of those smaller boxes. And these have the smaller notch and tabs there. So let's talk about the Kirsten bag first. So the first thing you need to do, like the same with all of our other plastic box items, is to just fold on all the score lines, give it a rub. That is how you are going to get the straighter sides on your box. Now you can see I folded on all the score lines and my box is kind of almost putting itself together already. So the next thing you're going to do is just bring the sides in. And then so you see you can line up the two notch holes, and then you're going to take the notches from the notch here and just tuck them into those slots. Super simple. Do it on each end. And now your box is ready to go. You can give it a little pinch if you want to straighten up those sides too. Remember, once you get items in there, it's going to straighten everything up. You're going to have some weight to it. So that's going to straighten everything up. And then you just unfold the bag that came with it, unzip it. Again, this is the Kirsten bag. So I'm just going to unzip the bag, kind of, fluff it up. Fold this back. And then I'm just going to insert the box right into the bag. It's going to be a little snug at first. So vinyl is elastic, right? It's going to stretch out a little bit, so it's okay that it's tight. What you don't want to do is shove it in. The corners of the boxes are a little bit sharp, so you don't want to shove it in so hard that you are risking ripping through the vinyl. If it is a little tight getting in there, just flex the box a little bit and put it in and then straighten it back out, and it'll be perfect. There you've got it, your box loaded in your zip and go bag. Again, this is the Kirsten bag. She holds our 9x6 pockets. She's like a giant recipe file bag. We got a double zipper on her as well. Super simple, super easy for the zip and go bags. This style. Now we also have the other style, right? These are like the boxes that would be in the Stephanie or the Chastity. So these fold together very much like our basic boxes. You're just going to, again, fold all the score lines all around. This has a little finger hole in it. You're going to pop that out. That's just, you don't need that. It's just garbage. And then you're just going to feed those notch and tabs through as you go around the box. Now, one of the keys to this is actually working around the box, right? So I'll take this off here so you can see what I'm talking about, right? So there's the box. This is going to be the bottom of the box. And so I'm just going to work around the box and put that tab in. Then I'm going to put this tab in, and I'm put this tab in. And so you can see when I say around, I'm just building that box around, right? Rather than trying to connect this and that and then do this, it's much simpler if you just kind of get in a pattern, go around the box, flip your tabs in, and then you're going to listen for that little pop sound like that. That's how you know it's in. It's usually not that loud. That was a loud one, right? It is sometimes easier if you go at a little bit of an angle in. Pop. Come on, pop for me. There we go. So now you got your tabs in, your notches, your boxes done. Super simple. And then you're just going to put those into, in this case, the Chastity, the flawed but fabulous Chastity. Line them up and you're ready to go. Super simple, fold together. Biggest tip I can give you is make sure you fold on the score lines first. That makes it easier. Give the box a little pinch if it's not straight up and down, and it'll straighten right out. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you soon.